Hello everyone, today, we'll show you how to fix error 0xc0000142 in Windows. We'll need 3 files to fix this issue. You can find the download links in the description. Now, follow along with me. First, let's open directs. Select the location where you want to extract the directs files. I chose to extract it to the desktop because we'll need these files later. Next, we will install Microsoft.NET Framework. I already have it installed. Finally, we will download and install AIO Runtimes. Restart your PC and I hope this fixes the error for you. Thanks for watching.